Hello.
Hi. Hey bananers, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be what I am packing for my vacation. Not that anybody asked for this, but here it is anyway. Before we begin, I want to throw out there, I'm sorry there was no video last week. I was actually kind of like sick, low-key. My voice was like in and out. I don't know where she was going. I had a cough. I still have a leftover one. You might hear it in this video. I'm going to try to edit it out as much as I can. And yeah, that's basically it. So today's video is everything I'm packing. I'm not really sure how I'm going to do this, to be honest with you. I don't want to like do like a video of me physically packing things for two reasons. One, I mean, we could do like a montage probably, but like I feel like that would be kind of boring. And two, some of the things I obviously cannot pack until like the day that we leave. So I would just be packing like the clothes and like the lake stuff and like all of that fun stuff now because I'm obviously not going to need it, so I can pack it. So we'll start with that, and I'll kind of just like list off everything that I'm taking on my list. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Okay, so I wrote everything down, you know, old-fashioned. I don't have any of my suitcases yet. You'll see that. But so basically everything that I have, I tried to keep it as like minimalist as possible. If you know me, I'm not a minimalist. I don't even know the definition. But basically, I would pack for clothing-wise. I personally only, like, some people change their pajamas like every day. Some people wear the same set of pajamas for like 2 weeks straight. I like to wear the same set of pajamas for 2 nights. So like I wore this set last night and I'm gonna wear it tonight. So I don't even know where I was. My sister just came in and I don't even know where I was. So two to three sets of pajamas. We're going to Vermont, in case I didn't mention that. We're going to Vermont, and if you don't know about Vermont, that is up north from Pennsylvania. And it's a little chillier up in the north, obviously. So when I pack for Vermont, I like to have summery stuff, but I also like to pack some long sleeves and pants, just in case it gets a little cold, you know, because it be getting cold up there. So 2 to 3 sets of pajamas for me personally will do. For shirts, I mean, when we're up where we're going, we don't really like go out. Like we spend a lot of our time like at the lake and stuff. So obviously I'm not gonna like, you know, show up in like some fancy outfits. So like, you know, just kind of like 3 to 4 like shirts and like 3 to 4 like different pairs of pants. And then like I do like to pack 1 to 2 nice outfits just in case we A, do go out, or B, I want to take pictures, which will probably happen. Did last year. For socks and underwear, I like to be extra just in case, and I have 10 pairs for each. You know, just in case, you never know. I hate wet socks, so I will need to switch my socks most likely. For my workout stuff, so I'm gonna be up there for I think about like 6 or 7 days, and of those days I will probably work out 4 to 5 of those days. So for gym sets, basically I just need like 5 of everything. 5 sports bras, 5 bottoms of some kind, 5 tops. Back in the winter, well, not even the winter, back in the fall when I went up there, I didn't sweat as much, but I'm obviously sweating a lot more now that it's summertime, so I can't, you know, reuse things like I am my pajamas. Ew. So, you know, we have to take that a little bit more seriously because I don't want to sit in sweaty things and then reuse them. So, I do need to take sneakers, and I'm going to take my black Pumas because obviously if those get dirty, I don't care. I am going to take a pair of flip-flops, you know, for lake purposes and stuff like that. I do have a new pair of slippers. Let me show you. I did get a new pair of slippers just for this trip, and they are They're very like old people style, but yeah. This is what they look like. I got these from Walmart, not sponsored. I tried them on. They're like super comfortable and I'm really, really excited. Obviously a hoodie. You literally can never go wrong with a hoodie. I forgot one last year and I had to buy a freaking oversized like extra large hoodie. My swim bag gets packed and basically everything in that bag is actually already packed and it stays packed all year round, all summer long. Everything that I could possibly need to go to the beach, to go to a pool, to go to a lake, for myself personally, is in that bag at all times. So really all I need to do is just take it out and put it with my stuff, and it's packed, it's ready. In case you were wondering, I have like my bathing suits in there, my towel, I have a couple of SPF chapsticks, I have extra hair ties, tissues, because sometimes I get nosebleeds, it's really weird. I'm prone to ear infections, so I have my customized earplugs that are bright green. And I just have all that fun stuff in that bag. I am going to bring some workout items, which actually I do have a video coming up after this one of my sister and I'm going to see if I can get the rest of my family to do it with me, but my sister and I, we're going to be using the workout dice that I got. I don't know if you remember my little haul that I did recently. I will link it up above here, but I got workout dice from Amazon. And I'm finally going to use them. So I'm going to bring that. I have a jump rope. I've got some booty bands. I'm going to bring all of that to work out with. I'm so excited. It's going to be a break from the basic home workout playlist that I have. So I'm excited for that. Deodorant, obviously, body spray, body lotion. You know, you gotta stay smelling nice. Dry shampoo for the days that I don't wash my hair. Like today. Obviously regular shampoo and conditioner for the days that I do wash my hair. My leave-in products. I have an oil and I have like a leave-in like conditioner type thing. I don't know. I'm just going to bring both of them. It's fine. Obviously my hairbrush and anything else I would need for my hair. All of my supplements, and by that I mean like all of like my wellness supplements. So my multivitamins, my CBD products, my weight loss supplement, my sleep supplement, all of that stuff has to come with me. My skincare, I'm not even going to tell you what that's going to look like because you don't need to know, but every single thing that I would use for my skincare during the week is going to come with me, including a few selections of masks, you know, my toner, my different face washes, face scrub, body scrub, all of that fun stuff, my lip masks, my lip scrub, everything. Obviously sunglasses. I do have a couple of pairs. I might bust these bad boys out. I don't know. I dropped these, so just now. I'm mad about it, but I thought these were super cute. Obviously the camera. Hello. The camera will be coming. Obviously, I would like to film certain things. I don't think I'm going to do a vlog this time. That was a lot of work. And it was a lot of editing, and it was actually kind of long, so I'm not going to do that again this time. But I think I might film like some extra things and like put them up like maybe throughout the next few weeks. That's what I would like to do. My laptop I'll obviously take because how the heck else am I going to edit and upload all of these wonderful videos for you to see. My speaker, so I can listen to Bees in the Trap all week because my dad loves that song by Nicki Minaj. Chargers for everything. I have to bring my phone charger, my Fitbit charger, my speaker charger, you know, the charger for the camera, laptop charger. All my chargers have to come. That's going to be fun to untangle. Obviously I'm going to take a hat because who goes to the lake or a body of water without a hat? A razor to shave. My selfie light for my phone, which I'm actually using right now as kind of like a ring light, and I think it's really helping. Really quickly, this is what it looks like off, and I think it's helping right now. So, my selfie light for a ring light, and my YouTube planner. Let me bring it out really quickly. you've seen this before. It hasn't been here in a while, but I am taking this with me because I am going to have to plan August videos. And like I said, I would like to plan some fun videos while up in Vermont to get some like new content, some different content. I think it'll be fun. We are planning a family sing-along, so I would like that to go up on the channel. I think it would be super, super fun, so I'm really, really excited. So for right now, that is everything that I am currently packing. If there's anything else I'm missing, I will obviously just like throw it in there. Like I just realized I don't have my birth control on the list, so I just put it on the list. I mean, who am I with anyway? It doesn't really matter, but it's fine. It's fine. So yeah, that's it for like the list that we have. And the fact that that took 12 minutes alone is crazy to me. So now I'm just gonna throw in like a quick little like montage of me packing. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Join the family, join the Banana Bunch. We would love to have you here. If you want to know what I'm going to be up to, and if you want to follow on all Vermont updates, all my social media will be listed down below like always, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! I'm on the good Kashanaka. Look at the robe I bought.
Oh, it's luxurious.
Thank you. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give this video... Oh my god, I'm saying video so many times.